Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is OGOM'S, Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT, Nigeria. So today I'll be showing you how to get more views, how to get more subscribers to your YouTube channel, okay? I will be using none other than YouTube Studio in order for me to do my examples for you. I will also be talking about the impression click-through rate. This is the new YouTube update that is on our YouTube Studio, which helps you explain your videos the more in order for you to get more views, in order for you to get more subscribers to your channel. So if you would love to know more, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. So I'll be showing you my YouTube Studio right now and to explain what really goes on. Sorry guys, please ignore any noise that you'll be hearing in this video. Just focus on what I'm going to show you. So right now, I'll be showing you how to get more views on your videos, how to get more subscribers on your channel, okay? Channel, whichever one. So we'll be going to, okay, I'll be showing you an example. So this is the video that I posted yesterday, which is a weekend in my life shower routine. I hope you enjoyed that shower routine, housewarming party and the market vlog. And right now, this is the explanation, the analytics of how this video has done so far since I published it. So far so good. It has had 935 views, and this is the impression click-through rate that I want to show you. Now, if you click on this impression click-through rate, okay, let me just explain the whole things that is going to be happening here. So we'll be clicking on view more. Okay, if you click on view more, it's going to bring out this for you: visibility, monetization, restriction, which is none, whether your video has a copyright claim. That is what this restriction means. And then this is the click-through rates, everything. So go to video analytics. Okay, now this is what happened on this video. Okay, so far so good. This video has had 975 views, and the watch time is 96.7 views. I didn't get any subscribers from it. And also this is the reach. Okay, let's click on the reach. You can see it reached 7,000 people. Like, how the impression is being how do I put it, like, people might just be scrolling through their channel and they will just pop your video pops up. That is what it means. Like, people that have seen this video, even if that they did not watch it, I think that's what it means. Now, this is the browse features, this is the notification, this is the channel pages, this is the direct or unknown, this is other. And if you notice, the YouTube Studio from our YouTube Studio from our phone has actually changed a lot. Let me reduce this. It has actually changed a lot. This dashboard, contents, analytics, contents and comments and playlist has an arrow that used to be here, but right now it has come down. That is why you need to be checking your YouTube Studio all the time to know if any change has been made on your YouTube Studio. Okay, so now these are other YouTube search terms. So these are the YouTube channel that people also search. Okay, you have OGOM'S series, you have Nelo KK, my favorite Nelo KK, you have Sisi Yemi, our chef, our one and only chef, and Oka and Dimma Ume. And then these are top videos suggesting this video. So all this here are actually the videos from other YouTube channel that is also suggesting my video. Maybe some part of their video has something for which I must have done on my video. Okay, so these are the top playlists playing this video. So not enough traffic data to show for this. So now I'll be going to the overview. Click on your overview. That is my overview, and we'll be going back. Click on your back. I just want to show you this impression click-through rate. Now, when you click on this impression click-through rate, you can see, well done, people on YouTube are choosing to watch this video more often than usual. Okay, I'll be showing you another video on my channel. Now, this impression click-through rate explains to you what is going on your video. Okay, what should be done on your video in order for you to get more views, or in order for people to subscribe to your channel because they like the video. Now, this is the average time for which people have watched this video, 5.56. okay, now this is a 12-minute video, but people the retention rate was kind of like high. People kept watching till 5.56. I think that is what it means. And now I'll show you another video on my channel. Okay, so I'll click on view more. click on your view more. I just want to show you this particular video, exercises to help you lose weight in 30 days. Now when we click on this video, I want to show you the impression click-through rate of this. Okay, now when you click on this, you will see YouTube actually showed me something else on this video. Now it says people are choosing to watch this video as often as your other video. The click-through rate is looking good. Okay, now what this means is that the click-through rate looking good is that people are clicking to watch on this video more often. It might be because this video will actually help them to lose weight, or because they're watching the workouts that you have done in that particular video. That is what this impression, the click-through rate means. Okay, I will be showing you another video. Now I'll be clicking on this arrow. Now when you click on this arrow, your video goes back. I want to show you another of this video. Okay, another video that I have on my channel. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, so this is another video. Okay, no, let me show you another one. Okay, now when we click on this, and this one says the video is appealing to a smaller audience than usual, but its click-through rate is similar to your other videos. I want to show you a different one altogether. So now this is another video that I'll be showing you, which is push-up workouts, chest workouts, day 29. So we'll be clicking on this. Now we'll be going to the impression click-through rate. Now when you click on this, you can see people aren't choosing to watch this video as often as some of your other videos. Changing the title or thumbnail can attract more viewers, but some topics may just get fewer clicks. Now, I don't know if you understand what this means, okay? They're telling you that people aren't watching this particular video for which you have made, maybe because the thumbnail isn't attracting enough, like this wicked thumbnail that I used to talk about. Maybe the thumbnail isn't attracting enough, or because this is not what they were searching at that particular moment on YouTube. Okay, they might be searching maybe maybe how to lose belly fat, but my title is saying another thing for them. So that is why the click-through rate is very low. You can see this one doesn't have an arrow that is green. Okay, you can see the other ones that we have checked has the green mark on it, but this particular one, you can see the arrow is showing blank because the click-through rate is very low. So YouTube is telling me to either change the title or change the thumbnail in order for it to attract more viewers on my channel or on this particular video. Okay, now this is what I tell people about YouTube Studio. I will do a video on that. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. So like I always tell people, try as much as possible to visit your YouTube Studio in order for you to know what goes on there. Okay, I noticed that change of the 3 lines that used to be on our YouTube Studio, which shows the dashboard, analytics, comments, and the rest of them. I noticed like days back that it's no longer there. It's now under our YouTube Studio. So try as much as possible to try as much as possible to scroll around, explore around your YouTube Studio, know about what goes on there. There is another feature that came out on the YouTube Studio. Okay, I'll be showing a picture right here or here, anywhere, so that you will see that there are more updates that YouTube are putting on our YouTube Studio. And if you don't go there, you won't know what goes on there. So try as much as possible to go to your YouTube Studio, scroll around, click on all clickables. But if you don't understand, don't do anything that you don't understand. In that way, you will learn more, you will get more knowledge about this YouTube algorithm. Hey, I got the English today. YouTube algorithm. Okay, nobody knows it all. You don't know, you can't know it all. We have to keep learning. We have to keep improving on ourselves. We have to keep upgrading our channel by what we see on our YouTube Studio. So this is what I came to show you. If this is a video that you can relate with, please do give it thumbs up, like, comment, share on my videos if you like any. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.